Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. Now in this question, 3/8 is a fraction at the left and 2/5 is a fraction at the right. When you are dividing two fractions, you keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you will write 3/8 again without changing anything. Then you change this division to multiplication and flip 2/5. Okay, when you flip 2/5, 5 will go up and become the numerator, 2 will come down and become the denominator. So it will become 5/2. Alright, now apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 3 and 8. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 5 and 2. So check the diagonals. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 8 and 5. And then apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 3 and 2. So what do? You multiply the numerators. You do 3 times 5, that gives 15, over, multiply the denominators, 8 times 2, that gives 16. So the answer becomes 15/16. Let's look at the next one. Here, the fraction at the left is 5/12. You are going to write it again without changing anything. So you write 5/12 again. Then you change this division to multiplication. Then you turn 3/8 upside down. So when you flip 3/8, 8 will go up and become the numerator, 3 will come down and become the denominator. So you will have 8/3. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 5 and 12. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 8 and 3. Check the diagonals. Okay. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 12 and 8. 2 can divide the both of them. 4 can divide the both of them. Okay, but let's use the bigger number, which is 4. So we are dividing by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 5 and 3. So what you do now is you multiply the numerators that are left. You do 5 times 2, that gives 10, over, multiply the denominators that are left. So you do 3 times 3, that gives us what? 9. Okay, now you can't stop here because 9 is carrying a number that is bigger than itself. So you have to write 10/9 as a mixed number. Draw the division symbol. Inside you write 10, then you put 9 here. How many times can 9 go into 10? It will go once. You write 1 at the top. 9 times 1 is 9. When you subtract 0 minus 9, not possible. So you take 1 from 1, 0 is left. You put the 1 here to make 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. This remainder that I circled, write it as the numerator over the denominator in this improper fraction, which is 9. So the final answer becomes 1 whole number 1/9. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.